Good morning and welcome back to Griddle Grub, everybody. Today we're going to do a real simple video. I got a few questions about making eggs and what temperatures I do it at and just how I go about doing it. So just going to do a real quick video on how I cook eggs. I got 2 eggs scrambled up right here and do a couple over easy eggs. So let's just get it going. Alright, so the first one we're going to do are the over easy eggs. So right now we're at 269 right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna cook right here in the middle. I got these two on like a medium heat. These two are off. So let's get a little oil down here. Spread that around a little bit. We're gonna throw on a little butter. I always put butter on with my eggs. Go. Now let's just spread that around along with. Now the oil, putting the oil down first helps prevent the butter from burning. But if you get it hot enough, I mean anything's gonna burn. Alright, so let's crack some eggs. Alright, there's one. Now I like doing it at this lower heat just because it cooks up nice and even. There we go. Alright, there we go. Let's throw a little salt and butter on there. Wipe my hands off. Alright. There we go. Put a little salt in there. Oh man, this one broke. Oh well. That'll do. So now I'm just going to let these sit for just a hot second, set up, and then we'll flip them. Alright, so you want to go around them. See how there's nice and loosey-goosey? Yep. And they're starting to turn a little white on the top there, so it's not clear. That way you know they're done. So let's flip this one that I broke. These are my eggs anyways, so little breakage, whatever. Now, a little bit more salt and pepper on that. We're just gonna let these go. I'm not even gonna take the video off. I'm just gonna let it play because these are pretty much done. Yep, look at that. You can see it's starting to bubble up now. I don't want to break that one on accident, so I'm gonna not mess with it too much. We're just gonna want to do the same thing. I can feel the salt and the pepper kind of sticking a little bit. That's okay, because that's gonna be some seasoning. All right, just want to make sure you get it nice and loose, just like that. These are done. So I'm gonna plop these right down on my plate. Oh yeah, look at that. If that didn't break, that would look great. There we go, look at that. Nice and good in there. That's gonna be a good one. I wanna get some of this too. Get all that seasoning right there. All right, now let's move on. Scrambled eggs. All right, we're gonna put a little bit more oil down right here. We'll just go right over that stuff from the other eggs. That's no big deal. All right, a little bit more butter. I'll use a little bit more on scrambled eggs because they just go a lot farther, so they like to run. Cover that up. All right, spread that around with the oil. Look at that, that's looking good already. All right, let's get this stuff on. They're all mixed up. I got eggs, a little bit of milk to help with the fluffy, some garlic powder, onion powder, and crushed red pepper. So let's get it on. Now this is only 2 eggs, so it's not that much food. You can see it's starting to set up in the middle already. Alright. Yeah, we're just gonna let that sit for a hot second. Actually, I mean, it's already setting up, so just gonna put a little salt and pepper. All right, let's mix this up. Look at that. Look at that, just nice and yellow. That would have been a nice little omelet. But we're doing scrambled. There we go. Boom. Just like that, they're done. Alright, boom, scrambled eggs. They're done. Simple as that. Let me get this on a plate and show you everything together. Alright, so here's what we got, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So we got the scrambled right here. Got the over easy. These are my wife's. These are mine. Look at that. Perfect little egg with all that nice pepper and salt cooked on there. Give that a little try. Man, I love over easy eggs. That is some good stuff right there. All right, let's sit down on these. Perfect. My wife, she likes some good seasoning on her stuff with that onion powder and all that good stuff, so she's got some good eatings here too. But that's all I got, guys. It's super easy to make eggs. Throw some butter, some oil down, get about 250 to 315-ish, around there, and it's real quick, cooks up real quick. Just don't break them like I did that one. So that's all I got, man. Appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.